today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Gacha Life 2. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you want to make sure that you have the latest version available of Gacha Life 2, you can follow the instructions in this video, and you will be able to confirm that you are up to date. When you open the game, you can see the current version at the bottom left corner of the screen. So for me, I am recording this video on an Android device, and I have version 0.95. For you, this might differ, but you can still follow the same instructions to get the latest version available when you watch this video. So the main way to update it is going to be through the Play Store or the App Store. Because I am on an Android device, I need to update Gacha Life 2 through the Play Store, but if you are on iOS, you will most likely go to the App Store instead. As you can see, when we look for Gacha Life 2, we can find the official website where the developer published the game, but the only option to download here is for Windows, so a PC or a laptop. Because of this, the only official method of updating the game is going to be through the Google Play Store or the iOS App Store. So this is how it looks on an iOS App Store. It's basically the same idea. You open the store, look for Gacha Life 2, and in here you check. If you haven't downloaded the game yet, you will see install. If it is up to date, then you will see the option to play. And if it needs to be updated, you will see update instead of play. So if you see update right here, you just tap on update and wait for it to download. After it is done, you can tap play and you will be running the latest version available of Gacha Life 2 on your mobile device. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.